So, ladies and gentlemen, firstly, may I request the chairman of the Bangalore Turf Club to present a bouquet to Mr. Devrata Mukherjee, Chief Marketing Officer, United Breweries Limited. There is also a bouquet to Mr. Gurpreet Singh, Head Marketing, United Breweries Limited. Mr. Devrata Mukherjee, Chief Marketing Officer, United Breweries Limited, Mr. Gurpreet Singh, Head Marketing, United Breweries Limited, and Mr. D. Vinod Shiwappa, Chairman and Senior Steward of the club, will jointly present the Kingfisher Ultra Derby Bangalore Grade 1, won by Lagard, owned by Mr. Ramasheshu Uni, Mr. P. Prabhakar Reddy, 5-Star Shipping Company Private Limited, represented Mr. K. N. Danjiboy and Mr. Z. K. Danjiboy. Okay. Trained by Mr. Sulaiman Satali. So, memento to Mr. Sulaiman Satali, the proud trainer of Lagard. Ridden by jockey Akshay Kumar. And Lagard was bred at the Nanoli Stud. First groom, Mr. Sulaiman will receive the groom's check on behalf of the grooms. There's a check for 10,000. May I request Mr. Devrata Mukherjee, Chief Marketing Officer, to say a few words.
I'll keep it very simple. Good afternoon, everyone. It's a privilege to be here. We've been part of the Derby for a very long time now. And just to be out in the open on a wonderful, gorgeous Republic Day afternoon and witness a fantastic race makes up for anything else I'm going to say. So I'll keep it brief. Please enjoy the rest of the afternoon. We are proud and humbled with this partnership, and we hope that this continues for years to come. Have a great balance of the afternoon. Thank you very much.
May I also request the chairman of the Bangalore Chess Club, Mr. D. Vinod Siapa, to address the gathering.
Good evening, one and all. Well, you've just witnessed a cracker of a race, and they say always a start to finish, and that proved it all. I think the trainers and the back support staff of the horse did very well, and I congratulate the winners for having done so. I would also like to mention the association we've had with the UB group, and it goes down to 30 years from today. I wish to congratulate the team of UB for having stood by us all these years, and also they are willing to sponsor the Summer Derby, which we are looking forward to. I'm needless to mention, we have gone through the hard spin of this pandemic, but irrespective, we've been able to put together a derby of sorts. May the thunder of hooves carry on, not only in Bangalore, but to the rest of the country. Thank you all, patrons, and thank you, ladies and gentlemen. God bless.
Thank you so much.
May I request the chairman to present a memento to our sponsors on this occasion of the Kingfisher Ultra Derby, Grade 1. Before we wind up, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to go across to the connections and ask them about the running of the Kingfisher Derby. And Lagad, the proud owner, Mr. Ram Sheshuyeni, we have Mr. Prabhakar Reddy over here. Sir, a few words. And Mr. Kushu Danjubai, the proud owners of Lagad. Firstly, Mr. Ram Sheshuyeni is over here. May I request you to say a few words and the run of the race.
I can say very little at this time. First of all, congratulations to our baby Lagard, which has performed all the 3 classics in a row. This means a lot to all of us. And also, mainly, I want to thank every boy who worked on this horse in Nanoli Farms, as well as Suleiman stables here. And I want to thank Suleiman and Akshay for the fantastic family of ours. And you have proven today, Lagad has #1 horse in the country. And before I hang up, Kushro, that's your baby from day one. That means a lot. Thank you.
May I request Mr. Prabhakar Reddy to say a few words as well.
Thanks a lot. It's a dream run for Lagad. It won all the 3 classics in a row. I feel very happy. I feel particularly happy because it was won in my favorite race course, that is Bangalore race course. And I thank my trainer, Mr. Suleiman, and jockey Akshay. Akshay was running always second in the classics. Today he has broken the jinx and won a great classic. So I congratulate him. Last but not least, I would like to thank the supervisors and the grooms who have worked 24/7 for the success of the horse, and I thank them from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, thanks you one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, and many congratulations to you, and many more wishes to Lagad. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have Mr. Danjubai with us. Sir, your words on Lagad, hailing from your stud farm. Some few words from Mr. Danjubai as well.
Well, thank you, dude. I think, it's so deposit that really is reflected what I hope he took, what was required him a lot. Not much that I can really have other than the Xpantic, and I've really been proud for him for whatever help he has done. Thank you so much, and I hope he's done really something for us. It's really lovely. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Many congratulations to you, and may Lagarde go from heights to heights to win many more classics of the Indian season.